Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to make this quick. So today is the day we're checking our length, and I had to blow dry my hair so that I can be able to have a nice stretch to it. So I did put my hair in Bantu knot so that I can keep my hair stretched, because I did this the next day. And just look at that, guys. To be honest, I was so surprised that my hair looked like this, and honestly, I'm really going to do this. I'm going to do this hairstyle one day when it's not humid outside. I have to try this again. So yeah, I was just surprised at how the curl came out, and let's begin checking the length. So we're going to start with the front section, and yeah, guys. Yeah, that's how much hair I grew for, I guess, 4 months. Yeah, and to be honest, at first I felt like it was not good enough, but then I checked again. After comparing these two pictures, I actually felt really proud of myself, and I can't believe that my hair is growing. I never really thought that I was ever going to see any difference, especially when it comes to the length. And now when we look at the sides, it's past my collarbone, guys. It's almost armpit. And yeah, so that's the before and the after. And guys, I'm really, really, really proud. Yeah, so let's go to the next section, because I was really excited. I was so happy to see that my hair is really growing, and I don't really have so much to say about this. And if you don't know, I did start the length retention challenge, and that is why I'm able to retain my length. So I've been doing this for, I think, 4 months or maybe 3 months and couple of weeks, and so far this is the length that I have right now, the length that I currently have. And I'm just so surprised, because all I needed to do all this time was to just retain my length, and so far so good. I'm actually seeing that waist length, guys, coming. It's coming, it's really coming. And yeah, so that's the side. I decided to just try and make it much easier for you. That's why I kept the picture side to side, the video and the picture. Yeah, the before and after. And yeah, that's the back, guys. Can you just look at the back, because it's almost bra strap. I'm not even sure if it's bra strap, but it's almost bra strap. And yeah, on the side it's armpit length. Yes, that's armpit length. And guys, I'm just so happy, and I'm looking forward to growing my hair even longer. And I'm hoping you guys are going to come and join me in this length retention challenge, so that we can be able to grow our hair. And to be honest, I just realized that my hair has grown not only longer, but it has gotten even thicker, and it has gotten softer, and I've been able to understand my hair really well. I'm just embracing every single moment, and this was just the best thing that has ever happened to me. And I'd really, really, really recommend you guys to join me in this challenge. So all I wanted to do here was to just check how my hair was going to look like, and I did put up a cute style, but of course it was humid outside. It was not going to stay like that. Yeah, but later on I did Bantu knot outs, which I'm going to post in the next video. Yeah, so that's it for the length check update. I just wanted this to be a short, quick video, because I didn't want to do so much, so that we can be able to see if we're making progress. And to be honest, I'm making a very good progress, and things are just things are just getting better, guys. And I'm looking forward to retaining more length. So yeah, if you haven't joined me yet, please join me in the length retention challenge. All you need to do is to just subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell, so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And that's it. Yeah, just look at that hair, guys. It's so soft, and it looks amazing. And as always, I'm going to choose volume over definition. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That's it for the length check update. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Every day, late at night, not okay. want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.